Here's a quick no baloney tutorial on how to remove undesirable background noise and white noise from your videos and audio files. You can even use this to record audio as well. This site is 100% free. You don't even need an account or to sign up for anything at all to use it, and it's very simple and easy to use. It only takes a minute or two. The site is called Auto Studio. The link is audo.ai. The link will also be in the description of this video. So here's the before audio file.
Just recording this yak to see what noise cancellation, noise removal, noise suppression sounds like on the new algorithm.
And here's the after.
Just recording this yak to see what noise cancellation, noise removal, noise suppression sounds like on the new algorithm.
So after you're on the site, you just want to go to Live Demo, then select Record Audio or Upload an audio or video file. I'm going to upload an audio file of mine. And if you need to convert your video file to an audio file, just go to this site here, Cloud Convert. The link will be in the description. Here's the before.
Hello, my name is Joseph, and today I'm doing a tutorial on Auto Studio.
And here's the after.
Hello, my name is Joseph, and today I'm doing a tutorial on Auto Studio.
And then you just download it. So that's it. Use it now while you can, because sometime in the future it may become a paid service. At the time of recording this, it's December 26th, 2024, so it should still be free into 2025, but I don't know for how much longer. And I anticipate there will be comments that say, if it's free, then you're the product, which is a pretty ironic thing to comment on YouTube of all places. But the truth is, I just use this for my videos that I post publicly anyways, and I'm sure that's what most people are using it for too. So I honestly wouldn't worry about it that much. Let me know in the comments if it worked for you. See ya.